I guess this is the true definition of a vacilando. We're supposed to be driving north, but guess why we're driving south? The exact opposite direction that it says on our map.
There it is.
There it is.
Come on,
There's
people.
the reason.
Come on,
Can you
people.
see it? Uh-oh. What do you think, Brad?
I think we're going to see it. It's a short little train.
And there it is. The reason why we're driving south instead of north. Uh-oh. It's curving away from us.
We're curving too.
Choo-choo! There it is. So we were in Charleston, New Hampshire at the public library. I came out of the door and the train went by. Brad came out of the door a little bit after me and said, "Oh no, I missed the train," and we hopped in the car.
There it is.
And he's chasing the train. Oh, we just passed it up. Now he's got to do a U-turn and go back and see it again.
Well, it's not a Vermont Central.
It's a freight train.
Well, the Vermont Central.
Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Oh.